The only reason he's wearing
Come on, go around one more time.
all the way white and he's not on the
Now Aunt Car.
He doesn't have a pink eye. He has black eyes, which is very odd.
Oh, is it?
Yeah, because the only white birds that people have ever seen are albino. They've never seen one with black eyes. It's very cool. When you look up the white Brett, like the white cocktails in the show, not one with black eyes that Brandon. He's a real bird. I'll wear that joke in the white world. If he wears his granny, he's much sweet.
And who is Isabel still over there?
Wait, I'm gonna tickle you anyway.
Well, finish your circle first. There you go.
Finish.
Uncle Bobby.
There you
Big guy.
All right. Uncle Bill. Now go get your dad.
I am. I'll take that, Gina.
It's recording.
Okay. Button and push.
I know. Go get Isaiah. He has to give you a hug. Where'd Isaiah go? Oh, silly boy. Go find Isaiah. He's not in my room. Well, Isaiah wasn't in there. He's downstairs. Go get him. Before I run out of time. He had to give you a hug. Get him.
Oh, Jackson.
Give him a hug. You gotta give him 2 hugs. Kiss his head.
No.
Come on, Jackson.
Look what I got. High school.
Come on, Jackson. Let's go back to your mama.
I forgot somebody else.
Who is it? Who? Uncle Bruce? Go get him. He needs to give you a hug.
Oh, what's going on, Gert?
2 hugs. 2 hugs.
What's going on?
Yeah. Nope, you don't want to. Okay. Come on, Jax. Upstairs. That's Jackson's hug.
I just had to go around. I'm running.
What about Uncle Bruce?
He already got him.
I mean, was it better Friday night or
Here you go, Sheena.
Friday night.